Hello, it's the end of the summer and two things are happening here in my garden. Number one, I'm gonna winter my peppers, which means I'm gonna transplant my pepper plants into pots, bring them indoors in maybe 1 or 2 weeks, and then try to keep them alive throughout winter to replant them in the next season. And these are really good peppers. This is King of the North. I just started fruiting. Even though I started these plants probably January, I started them so early because they take so long, which is really the benefit of overwintering peppers, is that especially the high quality, the nice peppers, they take a long time to mature, they take a long time for the plant to fully grow, and then the end of the season here in the northern hemisphere. So a good way to use that growth to continue the process is to overwinter your plants, so next season you repot them, they're fully grown, they start growing, they start fruiting, they start blooming right at the beginning. It is not the easiest thing to overwinter some of these plants, but it's definitely worth it. Once you're gonna overwinter your plants, you probably want to cut some of these extra growth. You want to keep it tight, and you also want to nip a lot of the flowers. I don't want the plant trying to focus so much energy in keeping the growth going. Again, the plants are not going to go dormant, but I want to kind of simulate a little bit of a state of dormancy by nipping all the fruit, nipping all the flowers. I am going to be supplementing it with the artificial light, and also I am doing this process transplanting them a little bit earlier, 1 or 2 weeks before the first frost, because I want to give these plants a couple of weeks to acclimate, to get used to being in a container and kind of have that access to the full spectrum of sunlight in the next couple of weeks before I bring them indoors where lighting is going to be more limited.